breakfast time, of course, but let's talk dinner. Making dinner for the whole family is a tough job, so prepping your meals in advance can make it a lot easier. Do you do that?
Sometimes. I should do more of it,
too.
but here are some tips on how you can do that. You can prep some food days and weeks out. Others are best to do it as you go. Well, the Today Show talked to a cooking teacher, and she shared 5 tips to make it easier. So let's start with your vegetables. If you're cooking them to add in a stir fry or a soup, you can get them ready in advance. Just wash, dry, cut them up. Put a damp paper towel on top of the vegetables and store them in an airtight container. That's going to keep them from drying out in the fridge.
Also, pre-cook your chicken and then store that in an airtight container too. It'll be good for up to 2 days. The chicken, really convenient to have on hand for quick casseroles, quesadillas, or salads.
Quesadilla.
Yum.
Sounds good.
No, I don't want a salad. I want a quesadilla.
Can't forget about the dressing for your salad. You can make it up to a week in advance. Store it in the fridge or in a cool, dark place in the kitchen. Salad dressings made with olive oil will solidify in your refrigerator. Don't let it scare you. You can leave it on the counter for an hour to come to room temperature, then just shake it up afterwards.
Foods like quinoa, rice, beans, lentils can all be cooked 3 to 4 days in advance and then stored in the fridge. If you do want to freeze them, plan ahead. They can last 2 to 3 months that way if you do it.
And last are fruits. The only berry you should wash or prep in advance are strawberries. I didn't think you could do that with strawberries. Okay, good tip. Any other type of berries, they get really soggy and moldy. You can also slice your apples a few hours ahead of time. Store them in cold water to prevent them from turning brown.
It is 6:13 now. Hot air balloons